The Uganda Police Force has given an update of the confirmed number of fatalities in Swift safaris by suspected terror. According to Fred Enanga, the police spokesperson, the number of deaths have since risen to two from one person, as earlier reported. Enanga revealed that a team of experts has already been dispatched to Lungala along the Kampala-Masaka highway, where the deadly explosion occurred on a bus belonging to Swift Safaris Bus Company, registration number UAU 989T at around 5 p.m. as it traveled from Kampala to Bushenyi. Injured persons have been evacuated from the scene. The police spokesperson Enanga Fred added that the explosion comes 3 days after the bomb attack in Komambuga. The scene has been cordoned off pending a thorough assessment and investigation by the bomb experts. We shall periodically give updates surrounding the incident. This report was written on the 25th of October 2021 and the incident happened at 5 p.m. Monday on the 25th of October 2021. For more updates, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. May the souls of the dead rest in eternal peace.